Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your LAGENIO Rhino 1 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume levels in these settings. This is very important because we want to make sure that they are turned up. Now we can go over and scroll down to sound and vibration. Here we have media volume, call volume, and these are both of the things that we're interested in. So as you guys can see, we got it. Now, if you don't have it set up like me, then make sure to boost them up. It's very important. And now what are we going to do is we're simply going to go over and disable Bluetooth to make sure that the audio is not rerouted from anywhere else or to anything else. It's very important that there's no other devices plugged in, such as headphones, earphones, and etc. So we're going to go to connected devices, connection preferences, and Bluetooth. Here we want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. If you see your device name, let it load. If you see your device name and you see the Bluetooth icon right up top here in the status bar, make sure to turn it off. It's very important. And now what are we going to do is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the system. So let's press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, make sure that you clean your speakers at the back. Make sure that you clean your stereo speaker right up top here and down here. It is very important because if they are filled with dust, dirt, then they will not play properly. And what are we going to do now is we're going to unlock the phone and as a last resort update our software to fix any speaker issues. So let's open up the settings. Now in the settings, what we should see is system right at the bottom, and we want to click on system updates. Now it is checking for updates and my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important so that you don't have any old glitches running around, including your speakers not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.